Sorry, my video cut off. Part 3. I'll read what it says in the box. Follow along. You're going to do work with mixed numbers. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number plus a fraction. Sometimes mixed numbers are written like this, 2 1/3. You'll work with mixed numbers that are written like this, 2 plus 1/3. These are mixed numbers. A mixed number A, 3 plus 1/5. Mixed number B, 4 plus 2/7. The fraction part of the mixed number tells about the number line. For the mixed number A, the mixed number is 3 plus 1/5. So the fraction part is 1/5. So the mixed number goes on a number line that shows fifths. You can see the number line. Mixed number B, 4 plus 2/7. That fraction is in sevenths. So the mixed number goes on a number line that shows sevenths. You can see that number line. I'll read the part below the first number lines. To show the mixed number on a number line, you go to the marker for the whole number. Then you count parts of the fraction. For 3 plus 1/5, you go to the whole number 3, and then you count one more part. That's 1/5. You can see the shaded part for the mixed number. Touch where 3 plus 1/5 is. Okay, 3 plus 1/5, you go to the 3 and then count one more. 3 plus 1/5 is right there. Touch where 4 plus 2/7 is. Remember, the mixed number are whole numbers plus fractions. So this is 4 plus 2/7. You go over to the big 4 and you count over. Find the 2, 2 over, 1, 2. So that right there is 4 plus 2/7. All right. We are going to jump over to our workbook now because there's parts in the workbook for that. All right, go ahead and find part 1 in your workbook. Well, let me finish this. Sorry. All right, part 1 in your workbook looks like this. So I'm going to have to plug these in on my map or on my number line. Let's see, I'm going to write it very lightly in pencil, maybe, so that I can erase it. Okay, so let's look at A. My whole number is 4 1/5. So all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is on the bottom of all, okay? So let's see, I have to go straight to the 4, because that's my whole number. And I only have to go over one more. So I'm going to draw a line and put an A. Plug in that fraction. All right, B. I'm going to go over to whole number 1. So let's see, 1 is right here. How many do I go from 1? The top number tells me 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw my line and put my B up there. Do you see? So I want you to go ahead and try it and plug in C and D on your own. I want to see how you do that. Also, underneath, you're going to be doing your fraction lines. Let's see. We know all the fraction, or from 0 to 1, the bottom number is 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then 5 times 0 is what? 5 times 1 is what? 5 times 2 is what? 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5. Okay, so do C and D, put them on the line here so that I can see how you do with those. You may also go ahead and do part 2 on your own. I will help you with part 3 and part 4. All right. All right. So remember, I'm going to divide my number on this side individually by each of these numbers. Let's see, 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3. 2 goes into 8, 4 times. 2 goes into 4, 2 times. This one, 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3, 6, 9, 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 6 2 times. I want you to try and do this one on your own, so I can see how you do on those. Part 4 are just like those problems that we've been working on. They're written kind of funky. Problem A says this: 4 times 20. Okay, I really don't like how these problems are written because I think they'll confuse you guys, but I'll just show you how to do them, just like the other ones. Okay, so that's A, B, C, 2 times 70. All right, so what I'm going to do is multiply 2 by 4, which is 8, and bring down my 0. 2 times 3, 6, and bring down my 0. 7 times 2, 14, and bring down my 0. Go ahead and complete the rest of those on your own. Part 4 is just more practice on how to write things on the number line. You can just go ahead and skip part 4 and move on to the independent work. When you are all finished with your independent work, please go ahead and submit to your teacher.